What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial I will explain you how you can insert the values in your Tkinter application and output them. Let's say we will create a function which convert meter into centimeter. So I know I have to tell you the how you can make a bookstore, but you have some basic idea how you can work with Tkinter, so you can build it your own creative apps also. So let's begin. First of all, you have to create a function. Let's say def meter to centimeter, and let's say we will then create a function. Let me just first give you the simple idea. Let's say hello, save it, and one more thing is that you have to run this function in this button grade command equals to, then you have to type the function name meter to centimeter. Now guys, right here you can see, if you type anything here, if you run this program, you will get here, and if you run this again, you will get here. So we have to move step by step. That's why I am telling you this. Now our next step is to get the value in this entry tab and print it here. So how can we do that? For that, we have to create a new function variable. Let's say entry value, which is equals to string variable, and we have to pass it here in the text variable equals to, let's say, e1 value, and after creating this we have to pass this variable in this print statement. E1 value. Now we will use a function to get the input from the user. It is called a get sorry save and run it again. Now guys, if you type anything here, let's say Lakshit, you will get here. And again, I know we have to print it here, so the next step is to print it here. How can we do that? Okay guys, the simple logic about it is we have to put this value in this text block. How can we do that? We will use first we will convert this into a variable. Let's say test equals to this value, and we will insert it in this d1 variable. Insert, what we have to insert is test. Okay, save it and run it. Let's see if I type anything here. That's it. Oops, error. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, we have to specify the widget for it, where we have to put it. Let's say we want to put it at the end. Now if I save and run this again, let's type it here, production, you will get here. So now we have get this value. What how we can convert this into a meter to centimeter? Let's see. For that we have to use simply we have to simply multiply it by 100. So guys, you know that the whenever we get an input from the user, it is in the string format. To convert it into float, simply type float, and here you have to put it, save it, run the file, and let's say I have to convert 23 meters into centimeter. You will get the output as this. So it is not a good functionality. We have to create this into a more interactive way. For that, we'll put some more function here in the next tutorial. So stay tuned and meet you in the next tutorial. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can feel free to ask the question in the comment box. So thank you and meet you in the next tutorial.